Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss about the comparison of physical properties of alkali and alkaline earth metals. First of all, sodium, magnesium and calcium. Sodium belongs to first group, magnesium and calcium belongs to second group, and appearance silvery white having a metallic luster, very soft and can be cut with knife, silvery white and hard. And calcium silvery grey and fairly harder than magnesium. Atomic size, if we comparison the atomic size, because first group elements have larger in size than second group elements and low ionization energy, and they have more metallic character, because metallic character depends upon the size of the elements or atoms. So sodium has 186, 102, magnesium 160, 72, and 197.99 if as the size of the calcium. And relative density 0.98 gram per cubic centimeter, or 1.74 and 1.55. It's mean they have floats on less density, and the magnesium because harder, calcium is more harder, because that's why they have more density. Very malleable and ductile, can be easily cut and drawn into sheets. And malleable and ductile, not much. Conductivity, almost all metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Melting point, the difference between melting point is 97 degrees Celsius, because they have more reactive and less harder. That's why boiling point are increases from sodium to magnesium to calcium due to increase of force of attraction, and ionization energy also increases from left to right, from magnesium to calcium and magnesium. And the flame test is that when we burnt these metals into the air, it will sodium will form golden yellow flame, and magnesium and calcium and magnesium will form brilliant white and brick red colors. So next properties, and then we will study about the a comparison. The elements in first two groups of the periodic table, group 1 and 2, are called alkali and alkaline metals respectively. Alkali metals are extremely reactive elements because of NS2 valence shell electronic configuration. As there is only one electron in their valence shell, it can be easily given out. It is the reason that they are always found in nature as a cations with +1 oxidation state. And you can add short question here: why alkali metals are most reactive or extremely reactive? Answer is starting from here. Second line, alkali metals are extremely reactive to till +1 oxidation state. Therefore, they readily form salts with nonmetals. You can also, from the second line, alkali metals are extremely reactive to with nonmetals, till nonmetals, form salt with nonmetals. It is the answer of long question, a short question. Why alkali metals are extremely reactive? The alkaline earth metals are smaller and have more nuclear charge. They have 2 electrons in their valence shell. They are also reactive and but less than alkali metals. Next, we will comparison of chemical properties of alkali and alkaline earth metals, and it is very important long question. You have to learn it fully. First of all, first difference occurrence. They are always reactive and always occur in combined form. They are fairly reactive and also occur in combined form. Electropositivity, of course, first group elements have more highly electropositive, or they are less electropositive. Reaction with water, they will react with water to form sodium hydroxide. They will react with water less vigorously, and and heating they produce weak bases, and they produce, when react with water, they produce alkaline solution, and hydrogen gas is also produced. 2 sodium with react with the 2 hydroxide ion and form sodium hydroxide, and H2 gas is given out. Similarly, magnesium react with water and form magnesium oxide, and further heating it will produce magnesium hydroxide. Reaction with oxygen, they immediately tarnish in air, giving their oxide which forms strong alkalis in water. They immediately react with oxygen to form oxide, and these oxide further react with water to form base or alkalis. They are less reactive towards oxygen, and oxides are formed on heating. So it is the difference between the reaction with oxygen